Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today is 13th of October 2024 and today I'm really excited. I'm excited to harvest these sweet potatoes here. These sweet potato plants, I planted them back in May and it's time for me to dig them out and see if I can find any treasures under the ground. Few small one here. To grow sweet potatoes successfully here in the UK, you need a long, hot summer. And this summer here in the UK wasn't that good. We had plenty of rain, not enough sun. And I don't think the weather was hot enough. But I'm not too disappointed. This is the largest tuber I found under the earth. Not bad. And I have plenty of smaller ones. So this container, not a single tuber. But this container I had quite a few. Only if they had grown bigger we would have had a basket full of tubers here. Nevertheless, I've tried for the first time and I'm not too disappointed. Inshallah next year I'm going to try it again and hopefully I'll do one better. This is going to be our final harvest of seam, uri, and I must say I have plenty to harvest. Some are kept for seed and the rest just for BC to eat with my khoimas. These are going to be a final eggplant harvest. We had an amazing season for eggplant. Oh, look at this amazing eggplants. There's plenty here.
Guys, the video is not over yet. It's my turn to harvest some potatoes. This is going to be our final harvest of potatoes of the season. Oh wow, look at these potatoes. Now we need to hunt for these potatoes. Oh wow, look at this big potato over here. I could tell we're going to get plenty of potatoes from this bag. Oh my god, look at all of this. Look at the size of that potato. This is definitely going to be a good potato harvest. Oh wow, this is amazing. Look at that, isn't that amazing? We haven't had much luck with the sweet potatoes this year, but the potatoes have always done us good. We've had so many potatoes from these grow bags over here. It's amazing. Look at the size of these potatoes. This is so incredible. We can make delicious roast potatoes with these. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? This is going to be the final khodo harvest of the season. That's a cute khodo, isn't it? This season, we've had many kumras. We've had so many kumras from this trellis and these plants over here. And this is going to be our final harvest. It makes me a bit sad, but I'm really happy with the kumras this season.
Just making sure there's nothing on the other side of the fence.
This is not a bad harvest for mid-October. We have beautiful looking potatoes over here. Pretty big ones as well. Bottle gourds, kumra, plenty of bitter gourd, lots of uris, aubergine. This is amazing, what could I say? And how could I forget the sweet potatoes? Only if we had a longer and better summer, I think we would have more sweet potatoes and bigger sweet potatoes. This is the biggest tuber out of all of them. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please like our videos. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family. As you know, sharing is caring. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do something amazing and hit that subscribe button. And hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time we upload. Stay safe, Assalamu alaikum, and until then I'll see you in the next one.